We have completed simple equations.
Yeah. Rational
We have
numbers.
completed rational numbers. We have completed data handling.
Lines and angles.
And last one we have completed here is lines and angles. So total we have done 6 chapters. Okay, so now integers. So these three actually these blue chapters which I have marked with which I have lined with blue. These are coming in Salman's syllabus. Salman, they are coming in yours.
Yes, sir.
Halima, have you got your portion?
Sir, not data and rational numbers in half yearly.
Data handling and rational numbers is not in half yearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's why I marked only integers, fraction, decimal, simple equation, and answer angles. These four. Halima, have you got your portion?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. So, Abdul Rahman, what about you?
No, sir, we haven't gotten our portion.
Okay, but all these chapters are done in your school, right?
The lines and angles have just started like quarter of it.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah, so we are ahead of all of you guys. Fine. Schools. So now for the revision, starting with integers. What were integers? Guys, integers were numbers which have negative numbers, minus infinity to minus 2, minus 1, 0, and then 1, 2, 3. This goes on to infinity. Okay, so this set of numbers, which is this is known as integers, a set of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Set of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Okay. Now, second thing in integers is like there were some properties in integers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There were some properties in integers before addition subtraction. We're going to learn the properties about integers. So the first property is the closure property. Closure property. What does closure property say? But a closure property says that if you do two operations on integer and you get also an integer, so which that means that they are in closure property. How do I explain it? See, uh, let's say that I have in closure property, let's say that I do minus 4 plus 2. Acha, before that, I need to tell you how to do addition for subtraction, right? Also, yeah, first I'll tell you that. Addition operations on integers. First, learn about operations on integers. On integers. So, if I talk about addition, how to add two integers? Let's say that I have minus. Yes, Salman.
So can I go to ocean?
Sure, sure, Buchi. Let's say that I have minus 4 and plus 5. Okay, so basically, how to do any addition subtraction? So, see, we check both the numbers. First of all, we check the signs. Signs are opposite. One is minus, one is plus. What are we going to do? We're going to subtract both the numbers. So subtract the bigger one from the smaller one. So 5 minus 4 you do. So you get 1. Okay, so here you'll get 1. You got 1. Okay, now in this one, bache, which sign do we put? We put the sign of the greater number. Greater number here is 5 and it has positive. Yes, so it would be plus 1. Okay, guys, I'll be continuing this and just tell me if you have any doubts in any part. Okay. This is minus 4 plus 5 is minus 1. Plus 1, sorry. Okay, this is how you do operation on integers. I'll tell you other ways also. If I have plus 4 plus 5, this is very simple. Both are same. So add them. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And sign of the greater one, that is 5, has positive sign, so plus. Okay, if I have minus 4 minus 5, Now, but it's same sign. So again, you're gonna add them. So 5 plus 4 is 9. But now in this time, what we are gonna put here? See, 5 great number is 5. 5 as minus. So we're gonna put minus. Correct. Okay, and now this last we have 4 minus 5. So let's say plus 4 minus 5. Different signs. So we are going to subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Sign of the greater one has negative sign. So it is going to be minus 1. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now if I talk about subtraction. So if I have minus 4, minus of minus 5. Subtraction which is signs change. So when I open up the bracket here, so minus minus would be plus. So it would become minus 4 plus 5. Now you can do simple addition like this. How we solve this? Okay. So main is this. Yes, Salima?
It's minus 1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Plus.
Okay. So you have to be very careful. Basically, minus minus is plus and minus plus is minus, plus minus is minus. Basically, different signs we add. See, if I would, अगर ये ऐसा होता minus 4 minus of plus 5. Okay, now if I open the bracket, minus plus is minus. So this would be minus 4 minus 5. Got it?
Plus. Minus. So now this is.
Yeah. Okay.
This
so
is minus
subtraction.
1.
This is minus 9. Yes, this will become minus 9. Okay. Now how to do let's say multiplication.
Sir, how is it minus 9?
But see 5 plus 4, see same sign, so we are going to add them. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and sign of the greater one is minus sign. Here we are going to put minus.
Oh, minus.
Now is this clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now bache, see multiplication if I talk about. So minus 4 into let's say plus 2. So multiply the numbers normally. Plus 4 into 2 is 8. Put the now minus and plus. So minus plus is minus. So minus 8. Okay, if I have 4 into 2, we already know it is 8 directly 8. If I have 4 into minus 2, so again 4 2s is 8 and plus minus is minus. So we are going to put minus. If I have minus 4 into minus 2, so 4 2s is 8 and minus minus is plus. So this is going to be plus. Easiest way to explain multiplication. I'm going a bit fast because you have already done it. Next we have is division. Same thing, divide them normally. If I have minus 4 by minus 2, so now, so first let's take minus 4 by plus 2. So 4 by 2 is 2 and minus plus is minus. So this will be minus 2. If I do plus 4 by minus 2, so 4 by 2 is 2 and plus minus is minus, so again we are going to put minus. If I do minus 4 by minus 2, so that is going to give me 4 by 2 is 2 and minus minus is plus. So here I'll get plus. Basically these minus signs cancel out. Okay, and if I have 4 by 2 normally, so this would give me 2 as the answer. I hope this is clear to all.
Yeah.
Okay, so now coming to the properties. Properties of integers. So guys, what would you prefer? Solving questions in revision, or you want me to explain it also first in the revision part?
What's that?
In revision part, you want me to give you some questions so that your revision can be through questions, solving questions, because that is the best form of revision. Or what we can do is I can explain it like this only, because I don't think so. Explaining like this is much of a use. You guys already remember it. How about
Yes,
I'll give you some questions?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open up some questions. Just give me a minute. Okay, these are actually difficult questions. I'll give you some easier ones first. Guys, let's practice some word problem questions. They'll be better. So, question I'll give you. The temperature at 12 degrees Celsius, at 12 noon, sorry, at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2, if it decreases the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, till midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? Eight degrees Celsius below zero. Temperature at midnight. I hope the question is written clear. You can understand my handwriting. Please write this question and try it down. And don't think that it is a very big question. Actually, it is a very small question, very easy. Read the question line by line and write what is given. You will be able to do it. Okay? Try it down, all of you. Okay, Halima, Abdul Rahman, Salman. Guys, I want a response from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
what is the last two lines?
Uh, I would read out the question. Okay. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what acha, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay. Now is this clear?
Yes, sir. Just give me 2 seconds. I'll finish the last.
What?
No, I was telling I will finish the last two lines of the question.
Acha, okay. So now is this clear? Like, uh, do it.
Sir, can you explain this question?
Okay, fine. Abdurrahman, Samay, you need time or shall we discuss this?
We can discuss this, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you
See,
can discuss.
okay. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Okay, so this is zero. Above it is positive definitely, and below it is negative. That's why we say -5 was the temperature or whatever it was. So 10 degrees Celsius above zero means the temperature was plus 10. Okay, so temperature at 12 noon, I'm gonna write it. Temperature at 12 noon is equal to plus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 hours per hour, of 2 degree per hour until midnight. Okay, so it is like decreasing 2 degrees Celsius every hour. So next hour it would be 8, next hour it would be 6. It is like decreasing this. So decrease is equal to 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now they are asking at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Okay, they are asking what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. So 8 degrees Celsius below zero means -8,
Minus
right? So we actually have to find that first it was plus 10. Plus 10, what do we need to subtract from it? So we get -8. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, guys? What do we have to subtract from it? So we get this. How to do this, bache? See. There was a better way of telling you this. See. It was 10 degrees Celsius above zero, right? Plus 10. Then it went -8. How much is the gap basically? How much did it drop from 10 to -8? You tell me just this. Yes, guys. 18 degree is the drop, right? We can see that the drop is 18 degree from 10 to -8. 10 to -8. So earlier it was -8. Okay. Oh, so earlier it was plus 10. Okay. It is dropping. So it has dropped somewhat, that it has become -8. So what? How do we find this out? Take this there. So minus of unknown, let's say x minus x is equal to -8 minus 18. So that is what do we say? -18. So minus x is equal to -18. So x is equal to 18 basically. So guys, what are we getting? That the temperature drop was 18. We can see that the temperature drop is 18 when it is falling from plus 10 to -8 plus 10. So plus 10 is 0, 8, 10 gira. Then from 0 to -8, it fell 8 down. So 10 and 8. So total it is 18 dropping, right? Total dropping it is 18. Now they are asking how much time would it take? So every time it is dropping by 2. So which is -2 into something that would give us how much? 18.
minus 8.
Yes, -18. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yeah.
So take this there. So this would be -18 by
So you
minus
can
2.
put x, right?
Yeah, we can put y here. Y. So cancel. So this is 2 ones are 2 nines are. So guys, y is equal to 9. So it would take 9 hours to completely drop. 9 hours to drop
Yeah.
18 degrees Celsius. Okay, 9 hours to drop 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the time was 12 p.m. Okay, 9 hours means it would at 9 p.m. So 9 hours means 9 p.m. So at 9 p.m. the temperature would drop to -8 degrees Celsius. Is this totally clear?
Yes, sir.
Others? Abdurrahman and Saman, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now they are saying what would be the temperature at midnight? Yes, Halima?
Sir, can you explain problem 1? The one which you did the solution.
This one right now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I explain it again. Halima, temperature. See, आप पहले concept समझो. This is the clock. Okay, I'll draw a clock. So this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 is not here, 10 and 11. Okay, this is the clock. Temperature at 12 p.m. Which this is 12 p.m. So temperature at 12 p.m. was how much? 10 degree plus 10 degrees Celsius, right? 10 degrees Celsius was the temperature. Now every hour it is falling 2 degrees. So when it came here, it fell 2 degrees and it became 8. When it came here, it fell 2 degrees. So minus 2. Here also minus 2. So it became 6. It fell here again minus 2. So it became 4. Now here it would become 2. Here it would become 0. Here it would become minus 2. Here it will become minus 4 because every hour it is dropping 2 degrees. Here it would become minus 6 and here it would become minus 8. Okay, so we can see that at 9 p.m. the temperature is getting minus 8, right, Halima? Now, how did we find this out? See, we saw the total drop. Total drop was plus 10 to 0, that is 10 degree drop, and then 0 to minus 8, that is another 8 degree drop. So the total drop is 10 plus 8, that is 18. So basically, we are doing minus 18 plus 10, right? Plus 10 minus 18, that would give us minus 8, right, Halima? Are you understanding how integer is being used here?
10 minus 18. Sir, how did you find? Okay, 10.
How did I find minus 18? But it drop. See, 10 to 0 drop is 10 and then 0 to 8 drop is 8. So 10 and 8 that becomes 18. Got it? Okay, so this is the total drop 18. Now 18 was the total drop, and now how many hours? How many hours it was like number of hours into temperature drop per hour, which is that is equal to how much? That is equal to number of hours into temperature drop. Sorry, number of hours that would give us, that would be time into temperature drop every hour into temperature drop every hour. Drop every hour. You understand this? Okay.
Sir,
Basically, how do we
number
find
of
out that?
hours is equal to it.
Yeah, is equal to. Basically, see how many time taken was, see, 1 hour means 2 degree, 2 hours means 4 degree, right? You understanding?
Yeah.
So what is the time? If it is 1, so 1 o'clock, so temperature would be 1 into 2 degrees being dropped, so minus 2, so the temperature would drop by minus 2. Understand? You
Sir,
understand this point? Yes. See,
but it
forget this formula.
starts.
It will confuse you. It will confuse you. Thoda. I would just explain it to you this way, that every hour there is a drop of 2 degree. Every hour there is a drop of 2 degrees, so that would give us the total hours. Okay. So to find the number of hours, basically 1 hour the temperature drop is 2 degrees, so 1 into minus 2. 2 hours temperature drop is 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. So in how many hours the temperature would be minus 18? So you have to divide it. So in 9 hours, so in 9 hours, bache, the temperature drop would be 18. Is this clear now, Halima?
Sir, but you can do it with then where is 10 degrees?
What, bache, I
10
did not
degrees is
understand.
the temperature, right?
Bache, 10 degrees is the above positive. How much is the total drop? 10. See, 10 से 0, from 10 to 0, it fell how much? 10. From 0 to 8, it fell another 8. So now 10 and 8 together, they make 18. Now is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now how to find out the time taken? See, 2 degrees drop in every hour. Okay, so if it would be 1, so 2 degree drop in 1 hour would be minus 2, 2 into minus 1. If it would be 2 hours, so 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 degree drop after 2 hours. After 3 hours, it would be 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. So after how many hours it would be minus 18? We have to find out. So divide it. So in 9 hours, bache, the temperature drop would be this. So y is equal to 9. So 12 hours plus 9. So that is 9 o'clock. And here also we found it from here that it is 9 o'clock. Now is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are saying what would be the temperature at midnight. Guys, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. How many hours? 12 hours, right? Very simple. We know that 12 hours.
Yeah.
So now in 1 hour, the temperature drop is minus 2. So in 2 hours, it would be minus 4. So 3 hours, it would be 2 into minus 2 into 3. So in 12 hours, 12 hours, temperature drop is equal to
12.
12
12.
into minus 2. Not 12, but 12 into minus 2. Every hour it is 2, right? So for 12 hours, it will be 12 into 2, that is minus 24-degree drop. Okay,
Yeah.
so minus 24-degree drop. So from 10 p.m. This is from 10 Celsius. This is from 10 degrees Celsius. So from 10 degrees Celsius, there is a drop of 24. So minus 24. So 10 minus 24, that is minus 14. So temperature at midnight would be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Is this clear now?
So then what was the before answer?
What was the?
Before answer, before the temperature. It was 9 degrees.
It was 9 o'clock. See, it was 9 o'clock. Minus 8 was 9 o'clock. So now see, 2-degree drops, it would be minus 10 become here. 2-degree drop, it would become minus 12 here. And another 2-degree drops, it would become minus 14 here. You are getting minus 14 degrees Celsius only, right?
Yeah.
So minus 14 is the total drop. Temperature at midnight is minus 14, not drop the temperature. I hope this is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys wish to note this down?
Yeah.
Okay, do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Sir, may I go to washroom?
Sure, Abdul Rahman.
So can you scroll down?
What, Halima?
Can you scroll down?
Salman, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Write this down.
Done, sir.
Okay, Salman,
Done,
Abdurrahman,
sir.
done as well.
1 minute.
Write also this. Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes, Salima, I know that Salman is going. Okay. Let me give you guys another question. Uh, Let me give you one question from, how about fractions and decimals? Okay, I'll give you one from fractions and decimals. Question. Sushant reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will he read? How much part of the book will he read in 1/5 hours? Try this question now.
Sir, I got
What is the answer, Halima?
Sir, is it 11 by 15?
11 by 15.
11 by 1 5.
Yes, correct. See, he reads 1 by 3 of a part of a book in 1 hour. So how many will he read in this much hours? Okay. So if he,
Sir, I
what if he
finished.
read one? What is the answer?
Sir, 5 by 6.
No, no, no. Not 5 by 6. 11 by 15 is the answer. See. Sushant reads uh, part of book read in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 3. So part of book
Sir,
read in. Yes, are you? Yes, Salman.
sir, we have to do 1 by 3 into 2,
Yes.
2 5 by 2 5,
2 1 by
2 1 by
15.
5.
2 1 by 5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
In 2 1 by 5. So what we have to do is multiply both of them. So to multiply, first convert this into what do you call improper. So improper would be for this one would be 11 by 5. Okay, so now just multiply them. Why? Why do we multiply this? Let's say in 1 hour it is 1 by 3. So 2 hour it would be 1 by 3 into 2. 3 hour it would be 1 by 3 into 3. Okay, so now in 2 1 by 5
Sir,
hours we have to just multiply. So 11 by 5, yes, Alima, into 1 by 3,
sir,
that is 11 by 15.
after you find 2 1 by 5, when you convert it into make improper
Yes,
fraction, then you have to
yeah,
multiply it with 1 by 3.
yes, 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 correct. So we have done so 11 by 15. So he'll read 11 by 15 part in 2 1 by 5 hours. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you another question. Simple equation. Let me give you one from simple equation. Kavisha, Kavisha's mother is, but I'll just type it. It will be better. Kavisha's,
Sir,
yes, Salman.
nothing.
Kavisha's mother is 35 years old. She is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. Find the age of Kavisha. Guys, this is a question. Try down. Guys, update. Halima, Saman.
Sir, I'm not understanding this.
Kavisha's mother is 35 years old. She is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha is. Okay, so Kavisha's mother, Kavisha's mother's age is equal to 35. She is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. Find the age of Kavisha. I told you whatever is asked, let that to be X. So let Kavisha's age be X. We will assume Kavisha's age to be X. Okay, now they are saying she is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. 6 times Kavisha's age means 6 times Kavisha's age. Kavisha's age is
6x.
X. So 6, yes. So 6 times Kavisha's age means 6x. So 6x, 5 years older than that. So 5 years older means plus 5.
Plus
Okay,
5.
that is equal to how
Is
much?
equal
That is
to
equal to the mother's age. So that is equal to the mother's age. Mother's age is how much? 35. So this would be equal to 35. We have now the equation. We just need to solve it. Take the 5 on the right. So 6x is equal to 5 would go and become minus. Here it was plus. When it will change the side, the sign would change. It will become minus. So 35 minus 5. So 6x is equal to 30. 35 minus 5 is 30. Now this 6 is in multiplication here. When this will go there, it would divide. So x is equal to 30 by 6. So this is 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. So guys, x is equal to 5. So Kavisha is 5 years old. Kavisha is 5 years old. Is this clear, guys? Halima, Salman, Abdul
Yes,
Rahman,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Salman, is this not you?
Sir,
You are
who?
here, na Salman? Acha, acha, okay.
Sir, this is Abdurrahman.
Yes, Abdul Rahman.
No, sorry.
Okay. Write this down, guys.